Good morning mga kasisid. So another day, another sisid. Papasok tayo ngayon sa work. Naka-scooter tayo kasi late papasok yung kabady ko na si Honey. Meron silang maintenance drive later until 8 o 8 p.m. Okay, so ride na tayo para hindi tayo malate. Okay, see you guys later. We're here now sa work. So another day, another sisid. Today I have discovered scuba diving and I have cleaning them at 4 p.m. So let's see kung meron pang mga changes sa schedule. Tara, samahan nyo ako magtrabaho ngayon. Yun mga kasisid, start na tayo for today's dive. First dive natin, discover scuba diving. 3 guests. Magkasama kami ni Andy sa dive. So siya yung gumagawa ng briefing. Tapos mamaya magkasama kami sa skills. Okay, see you later. Oh, what's up mga kasisid? So katapos na ng first dive. It went well. So ako yung nag-dive din sa father nung family. Yan. It's very cool. From Russia. And that's for today festivity. So we did the DSD in the morning. Second dive is cleaning dive or maintenance dive. Then that's it. Okay. See you again tomorrow, guys. Peace. Happy diving.